Hello guys, I'm Sajan Sheikh. In this video tutorial, I will cover data mining and its facts and figures. The agenda of today's video is significance of data mining, the process of data mining, functions of data mining, techniques used in the data mining. In this video, I'm gonna cover all of these uh, agenda. Let's move toward the first agenda. The focus point of our first agenda is to know about the knowledge discovery from our raw data. In this world, we have many resources wherefrom we can get a huge amount of raw data, and it is very important to recognize that data so that we can interpret it and we can get knowledgeable or valuable information from that raw data. So that process or the techniques used to extract information from a raw data is known as data mining. Obviously it's significance because we have lots of raw data but we have very poor information. Similarly, the human brain is also not capable to discover helpful information from such huge amount of data. So and the significance of data mining depends on all these focus points. The second agenda of our video is to define the process of data mining. The data mining process mainly consists of five steps. First one is selection of targeted data. Obviously, it is the main and the first step of the data mining. In that, we just extract, we just select, we just target some valuable or some important attributes that we are gonna analyze, that we are gonna understand of that patrons in future. So we will just select, we just make target of that variable data because there are let's if we talk about the resources of the generation of huge amount of data. They are just like Facebook, social medias. They just generate huge amount of data. So if we take an example like the traffic data, the traffic modes data, then we have lots of traffic modes in the world, but we cannot uh, analyze on all of these modes at the same time. So we will just target few of them. The second process of data mining is pre-processing of the data. After selection of the targets, we have to just pre-process the pre-process the data so that we can uh, convert data into well-formed data sets. Like uh, like if we think that they before applying any model or techniques on the data, we we should clean it. We should make make it analyzable. Like, then the pre-processing step is very necessary. In that steps, we just clean the data, whatever it consists outliers, we just clean it. And if there is missing values exist in that, then we just also try to remove these missing values. And in future videos I will upload the videos that how we can treat with the missing values using Python as well as R language. The third step is transformation of the data. In this process, we just mix unstructured and organized data for later analysis. We just extract what you call it we just extract the valuable patrons, then then we will make it worthy for the analyze. And on the fourth step, we just recognize pattern, extract and discover patterns. Means we just put data mining technique on that. There could be many techniques for analyzing the data. We just apply that techniques on the fourth step, and in the fifth step we just interpret the results whatever we get. And the results that we get, that are some valuable information that we can utilize in our business, or in our uh, yeah, we can utilize in our business. The third agenda is functions of data mining, that which functions we use in the data mining. Data mining has essential functions to help get valuable information and increase knowledge for users. It has four primary functions, namely prediction functions, functions description, classification functions, association functions. These all functions are related to extract the information from the raw data. Like if we talk about the prediction functions, then these functions are used to predict the data based on the current data, or based on previous data we just predict. And the functions descriptions says they are also associated with the time series analysis and other things. Whereas the classification functions are based on binary and logistic functions, that we classify the things based on our inputs and outputs targets. And the fourth one, the association functions, that are also uh, important functions that is used in the data mining. Here is the last agenda of this video, that is technologies related to the data mining. The technologies used in data mining are composed of related domains as shows in the figure. So here we can see we have this figure that the data mining is associated with all of these um, domains, that is related to the statics, pattern recognition, visualization, machine learning applications, algorithm, database technology. So all these domains have particular techniques. But most of used techniques in data mining are classification techniques, clustering, association techniques, outlier detection, sequences mining, dimension reductions. These all techniques are very useful for the data mining. And in next video we will just uh, understand all of these techniques deeply. And we will also use programming, python programming or r programming, one by one, to do the examples related with the classification, clustering, association, outlet detection, sequence mining, and dimension reduction. We will go through all in next video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel so that you can see much more related with data mining and python programming and r programming.